have become a go-to item on our regular grocery lists. Due to their versatility, nutritional benefits, and affordability, their cost-effectiveness makes them a practical choice for households, while their ability to adapt to various dishes adds a touch of culinary flexibility to everyday cooking.
Hygiene issues, water consumption, time wasting, risk of crack. Therefore, with the collaboration of our team,
We are pleased to introduce the innovative Smart Egg Cleaning Machine, a comprehensive egg device that brings about a groundbreaking transformation in egg production. This remarkable machine is capable of generating eggs of various sizes, catering to the distinct preference of consumers worldwide. Primarily designed for the food and beverage industry, which frequently incorporates egg-based delicacies in their menus, our product aims to provide users with utmost convenience, efficiency, and exceptional quality. So the smart egg cleaning machine is unique compared to traditional egg cleaning machines because of its compact and portable design, making it easy to transport and use in different settings such as restaurants, cafes, and catering events. With advanced blower that efficiently dries eggs after washing and a UV light that eliminates any potential bacteria, ensuring a more hygienic and safe cooking process. The main goal of this product is to enhance convenience and efficiency for users in various environments. Additionally, these innovative machines includes a UV light that effectively eliminates any potential germs or bacteria that may be present on the eggs. The UV light sterilizes the eggs, ensuring they are safe and hygienic for consumption. This extra layer of protection provides peace of mind as it guarantees that your eggs are free from harmful contaminants. In conclusion, the smart egg cleaning machine is a game changer in the field of egg cleaning. With its affordable price range, sleek design, compact size, and powerful features, it is a necessary addition to every.
The egg industry plays an important role in meeting the global demand for protein. However, traditional egg processing methods present some problems, including inefficiencies, hygiene concerns, and economic and labor challenges. Firstly, inefficient egg processing methods, such as manual washing, result in incomplete cleaning and contamination, limiting productivity and effectiveness. This underscores the need to investigate new strategies to meet the evolving demands of the egg market. Secondly, hygiene concerns in egg production pose potential hazards linked to the presence of dirt on eggshells. Ensuring compliance with strict health and safety regulations is crucial, emphasizing the need for smart egg cleaning machines to enhance sanitation protocols and guarantee the highest levels of hygiene and safety for consumers. Lastly, economic and labor challenges have been faced by egg producers due to their reliance on manual labor, leading to increased operational expenses and variations in cleanliness standards. To address these problems, an innovative solution is required. In conclusion, the implementation of smart egg cleaning machines represents a significant step forward in addressing the key issues faced by the egg industry, ensuring improved efficiency, hygiene, and economic viability.
There are a few categories in idea screening, which is first one is the strategic differentiation, which there is a unique features that have a cleaning mechanism and a limited market competition, which offers enhanced features not completely used in the existing product, and target market for attraction because some of the consumers seek for the convenience, efficiency, and innovation. And the second one is the customer needs. The customer needs time and energy saving and also a cost effective solution. And And number 3 is the fast development stage, which a technological feasibility leveraging a current technology such as the UV light and brush mechanism. And then there is availability of the materials. The materials that are required to make the smart cleaning machine are easily obtainable. The market survey for this product is the potential customer that needs a preference for the egg washing machine. The target customer for this product are from food and beverage businesses, household and commercial egg producer. And for the overall, the main target audience request for a smart multifunctional egg machine that is to help with cleaning and sanitizing the egg.
Next, for the test marketing section, we are using questionnaire to identify our market survey for this product. The targeted respondents are categorized from household, food and beverage, and egg commercials in section 7 area. The number of respondents collected from this survey is around 100 respondents. Then the questionnaire section was distributed to 5 sections, which is demographic data, daily use of egg, price of the product, location to buy the product, and the willingness to buy the product. Our survey showed that most of the respondents are between 20 until 30 years old with stable income. They care a lot about egg hygiene in their daily lives, and also they prefer the eggs under 70 ringgit, which match our product price. We will focus on online promotion since many of the respondents active online, and also people are eager to buy our product because they find it useful in the future, and also this will help us shape our marketing and product approach to meet their needs.
Are you tired of spending precious time washing eggs one by one? Well, say goodbye to the old way and welcome the future with our smart egg cleaning machines. Designed with innovation in mind, this machine is actually a game changer for the business owner in the food and beverage industry. Imagine cleaning a mountain of egg effortlessly. Our machine is here to make it happen. Normally, people clean eggs when in doubt using plain water, but with our smart egg cleaning machines, innovations take the front seat. So let's get into our product. Thanks to its groundbreaking design, manual egg washing is a thing of the past. It is time to save both time and energy. Now let's delve into how this machine works. Okay, so here is how it works. First, you need to plug in the egg cleaning machine. Turn it on by pressing the on-off button until the indicator turns red, which means the device is ready for use right away, and then put your egg inside the machines. The LED light in this product will illuminate. Then press the wash button. The machine uses water and a moving brush to clean the egg evenly. The used water is stored in a reservoir which you can remove if it gets full. When you think the egg is clean, press wash to stop. Furthermore, for drying, press dry and the centrifugal blower vacuum will quickly dry the egg by pulling outside air. Lastly, if you're done drying, press dry again to finish up. So that is all for the step. Now let us together experience innovations, save time and elevate your egg cleaning game with the smart egg cleaning machines. The future is now. Thank you.